Next up I have some stickers from Chocho and Mimi. These are the stickers that I got. I have actually used a couple of them, to be fair, that I wanted to use on my planner this week, so I'll quickly show you them as well. So next up I have Happy Cutie Studio, and it's another kawaii style sticker shop. Again, I have used some of these too. So this came free as part of a Black Friday deal, this cute paper clip. So here are the missing stickers that I've already used. The cute little tree for decorating the tree, and the family time sticker there as well. So that is where those ones went. From Paper, Pen and Plan, I'm very excited about this, and I may have had a little bit of a sneak peek. This was wrapped a lot better before. I have had a little look. I did get a couple of things. Again, they had a big discount on for the Black Friday. I've finally got a planner, and this is a Prima one. It's the little one. It's passport size, as you can see there, and it's the Georgia Blues. So I'll get that out in a minute. I'm very excited about this because at the moment I don't really have a traveller's notebook. I just have this one that I made myself, which has the worst stitching in the world on it. And it's just not very good. So I'm very happy to get a professional one. So I'll take this out and show you what it's like inside. So here's my planner. It's got a little charm on here, which I will probably change out for one that I make myself. And then it has the elastic and a leather piece here, which means that it doesn't dig in because it has that to protect it, so it won't leave a line across the planner. And inside it has this side pocket here. It's lovely and soft, and this pocket here, and then it has this pen loop here that obviously just needs moulding into shape to hold a pen. And it has 4 elastics in there, so you could always add extra extender ones on that add extra books in, which I still need to Google how to do, or YouTube how to do I should say. So that is my planner. It's got lovely foil there, and the actual pattern is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So I got that, and to go with it I also have these, which are some notebooks, and inside there is, sorry if you can hear loads of water running by the way in the background, my little boy's having a bath. I've got a blank notebook, a weekly and monthly there, and that's what's inside here. I'll quickly get them out and show you. Again, apologies for my nails. If you haven't seen the video before this one, I am in the middle of painting a elf door and it's just getting everywhere. So here's the books. This one is the plain paper, and this one is the monthly, I think. It's got a few at the back for notes, and this cute little monthly here, and it's undated, so you can just start it whenever you want. And then this one is the weekly. And they've all got the beautiful matching patterns on them. So I'm really, really chuffed with those. I'm so happy to finally get a proper traveller's notebook, except now I want all different, sorry if you can hear my little boys making lots of noise. Now I basically just want all of them in all sizes ever, but that's the way it goes, isn't it? So that is everything I got. Again, sorry, this is paper, pen and plan. So that is everything I got in the Black Friday sale. It's pretty much all planner related really this time round, because I do have a lot of scrapbook supplies to use up at the moment. So thanks for joining me today. Do like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. I will be doing a lot of videos using up all these lovely goodies, and hopefully I will do one setting up this traveller's notebook as well. So stay tuned for that, and have a great day everyone, and Merry Christmas. We're in December now. Whoop whoop. Bye.